Hello everyone and welcome to the SEAwise tutorial on BEMTOOL bioeconomic model to implement management strategy evaluation including climate change. This tutorial is based on the work carried out within SEAwise Work Package 6 evaluation of fisheries management strategies and the basis for the methods and results achieved. Applying BEMTOOL in Adriatic and Western Ionian Sea can be found in the SEAwise deliverables of Work Package 6 that are publicly available on the SEAwise website. In this video, I will show the main steps to run BEMTOOL application, including how I integrated the climate change in the projections. In SEAwise project, BEMTOOL has been applied to the demersal fleets of Adriatic and Western Ionian Sea. BEMTOOL, based on widely available stock, effort, socioeconomic and management data, is a peer-reviewed model routinely applied in Mediterranean EU projects and STCF groups since 2019 and effectively used for stakeholder communication. In SEAwise, BEMTOOL was enhanced to cover 24 fleet segments and 10 key Adriatic and Western Ionian Sea demersal stocks, aligning with the regional GFCM multi-annual management plans and accounting for population connectivity across GSAs. In SEAwise, the model has been enhanced in two main components. The stock recruitment relationships have been enhanced, including environmental variables. This is quite important to project the combination of management measures with climate change. And secondly, the economic part, specifically fish price and variable cost submodels, were also enhanced, improving the accuracy of economic projections. For these two enhancements, there are two different SEAwise tutorials where you can find the links in this vignette. This scheme shows how in the BEMTOOL operating model population dynamics are simulated with Aladdin model, currently as a type 1 shortcut emulator that adds error to simulated outcomes, allowing the inclusion of biological uncertainties and fleet selectivity, testing of management scenarios, for example, closures, catch limits, combined measures, and estimation of biological socioeconomic indicators by fleet. In the vignette are reported all the required packages to be installed before running BEMTOOL application. Remember also to install Aladdin Tools zip that is available on Work Package 6 GitHub. Then pay attention to follow exactly the steps for RGTK2 installation. And this is quite important to have the BEMTOOL guy working properly. Once that everything is ready, you can try to run the application after copying the training folder that is available on the GitHub of Work Package 6 Mediterranean Case Study on your C disk. You could also put in other places of your PC, but you will need to update all the paths that are in the CSV configuration files. Nothing special, but for a first exploration, I suggest to put on your C disk. Now I will show how to launch the application. Once that you set your working directory pointing to trainings BMT NOV 2024, you have to source memtool.r script in your R console and the graphical user interface will appear. So the first step is to click on Load Case Study Definition and go in the input folder that is in your training folder that you have copied on your C disk and select the BMT config simulation. Clicking on this, all the inputs required for the configuration of this example case study will be loaded in the graphical user interface automatically. And then you can go with the next button and scrutinize all the tabs where you will find all the information for all the different stocks, the von Bertalanffy parameters, the maturity, etc., and also the effort and landing information for the different stocks. To run the first part of the model, so the hindcast, you need to run new diagnosis. And after a while will appear the graphical user interface of Aladdin model, that is the biological component of BEMTOOL. And clicking on load simulation parameters, you will be allowed to click and to select the file for the configuration of the first stock, that is a in GSA is 1780. You can scrutinize all the tabs to check if all the information is correctly read by the graphical user interface, and then you can run the simulations. So these steps should be repeated for all the 5 stocks in the example case study. Once that the 5 stocks have been replicated and the diagnosis has been loaded, there are key indicators that are automatically stored in 3 CSV files, so one for biological indicators, one for economic indicators, and the third for the pressure indicators. We have to check if the replicated stocks are consistent with the stock assessment results. And here you can find a couple of examples of comparison for catch, fishing mortality, and SSB. If everything is consistent with the past and current years, we can go with the forecast and simulate a series of management measures. And in this chapter, there are several examples with changing selectivity where you can find an example input file in the GitHub folder of BEMTOOL. And another scenario that can be simulated, for example, is the change in effort, modification in the effort quotas. Again, examples files are provided. And the last chapters are dedicated to integration of climate change through the environmental mediated stock recruitment relationship. More details can be found in the tutorial of BEMTOOL of Work Package 3. And finally, I reported here several examples and comparison plots among scenarios, comparing different climate change scenarios under the FMSY management scenario. Accompanying guidelines can be found on SEAwise website under the online course page. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you find this tutorial useful and that you can apply BEMTOOL to your case study.